happens. But no, well done. Congratulations. Good luck with the new round. 3x on 20 and the 4x on 13. By the way. 3x is got. Fireball 4x. Maybe. Or too much power. Oh, let's go, baby. Fire time. All right, heat me up there. Hey. Oh, hey. Oh, 4x, baby. Fireball. All right, well, you know what it means. It's up to 2000x. 2000x on the line. Holy, oh my dear, come on. Oh, in the very cold, oh my, what is that? In the corner, what was in the corner? Ah, 2000. Bam, bam, bero, bam, bam, bam. All right, people, that's a 2000. It's a 2000. Let's go. 2000. Congratulations, 1,451 lucky winners. 1,451 lucky winners on that one. Good job. 2000x. Yo. Small multiply. Small multiply. We need more. This is 2x. It's not. It's a small multiply. Can we get more? It's just like, can we get better? Hotspot with the 3x would be great. Continue. We kiss you, hotspot. Mwah! 3x hotspot.